Hello there everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another okra soup recipe you can use for your swallow. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So for the protein, I'm using beef and just added 1 tablespoon of salt, some chopped onions, 1 seasoning stock and a little bit of water. And then I'm going to be cooking this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm just going to give it a stir and I'll allow it to cook for additional 15 minutes. So in total, I'm going to be cooking this meat for 25 minutes. After that, I'm going to be putting it in the oven and I just brown it in the oven, or you can also fry if you wish, or you can just boil it and use it for your soup. So I'm just going to be removing the meat and I'm just going to put it in the oven. So while the meat is in the oven, I'll go ahead to slice my okra. And this is the way I always slice my okra. It's easy and quick to do. You can also blend it if you so wish. So after slicing my okra, I'll just transfer it to my cooking pot and then I'll go ahead and slice my spinach because I'm adding spinach to this recipe. So I'll roughly chop it and then I will just chop 1 onion, 1 tomatoes. I'm using fresh tomatoes for this recipe, and then also chop some onions. So you can see the meat is ready. I'll let it cool down. And then in my okra, I just added a little bit of water, allow it to cook for 2 minutes, and then I'll just add the stock, the beef stock to it. Then I will stir it and then I will let it cook for 10 minutes until the okra is soft enough. So the okra is ready now. I'm just going to take it off the burner and I'm just going to place my cooking pot on it. I just add a tablespoon of oil. I added just 1 tablespoon because the oil is thick because of the weather. And 1 tablespoon, if you melt it, it's going to get about 3 to 4 tablespoons out of it. So after that, I just added my chopped onions and the tomatoes and then I fry it for 2 minutes. And now I'm just going to debone my meat. And then add the meat to your fried tomatoes and onions. And give it a stir, let it cook for 2 more minutes. And then after that, I'll go ahead and add my okra. Give it a stir. And then add my smoked fish. You can add any fish that you want. You can add fried fish, or if you don't want fish, you can just use only the meat. And then I'll just go ahead to add some green Scotch bonnet. Give it a stir and then add your spinach. So after adding the spinach, I'm not going to let it cook for too long because I don't want to overcook all the protein in the spinach. So after I added the spinach, I just let it cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes and that's it. Our okra soup is ready to be served with any swallow of your choice. I hope you guys find this helpful and I will be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.